This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Greg Baker. Move-in ready / turnkey updated ground level, no stairs, unit with new laminate flooring, stainless appliances, splashback kitchen counters. Light and bright roomy floor plan, 9-foot ceilings, family room west / gas custom tiled fireplace, spacious kitchen, separate eating area, both bedrooms with walk-in closets and adjacent full bathrooms, new shower heads, patio freshly sealed with storage area. Real wood blinds, newer H20 tank, newer toggle light switches, backs to green belt and trails. Covered parking. Handicap accessible. Located near Whatcom Community College and medical facilities. Around the corner from Bellis Fair, Best Buy, Macy's home store, Wal-Mart.